Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. So today we'll learn about how to configure a multiple instance of a Spring Boot application in IntelliJ. Basically, how do we run a multiple instance of a same application to test our load balancing and for any other reasons. As per my earlier video, I just show how the load balancer works, but a lot of people are requesting like how do we configure in the local for test and everything. So that is the reason I'm coming up with a small video where I'll demonstrate like how you configure the multiple instance and run those instances in your local. So you can see I have configured two instances which are for our review and rating service. But before that, what I request you to do in the IntelliJ, go to edit configuration. It will show you all the microservices which you are running here. See here I have a review and rating service where I allowed a allow parallel run. So once you make this allow parallel run enabled, so it will allow you to run all the applications, like basically this application into a multiple ports into a with a different instances. So if you see I am running it here, one is with a 766 port, another one is a 774. So let us see if I can run it with another one as a 86 port. I'll just changing the port number now here, and I'm trying to rerun it again. So you can see if I try to rerun it, it is started with the another port. So as soon as it runs successfully, you will be able to see the one more is added to here where it is with the port of 8086. So it's a simple configuration which we need to do in a Spring Boot IntelliJ configuration as well. So in the Spring Boot as well, you just need to change your server port because we cannot run multiple instances on the same port. So you just need to change the port number and rerun your application there. It's a simple configuration from the Spring Boot side as well as the IntelliJ side. So you can run a multiple instance here, and as long as your system supports for the multiple instances with a heap memory and everything, so you'll be able to run as many as instances you want to test your load balancing and any other activities which is required for that. So let me see if it is still running for the new instance. Let me refresh this if it is, because it might cause me error because I don't have that heap space running here. Yeah, it's thankfully it ran now, because if you see 8086, 8076 and 8066, I'm able to run the three instances, available zones and available instances for this particular review and rating service. So this is simple configuration. You can make changes into your local and then try with your different configuration to test out your functionalities. Thank you. Thanks a lot.